Hi again, it's Tara. This time around, we're going to be working on some flowers. So we're going to keep this simple and easy. That way you can keep creating these on your own anytime.
Our first flower, we're going to start with a small spiral. So curve around and connect it back. Then we'll just add petal after petal. So do a small curve, almost like a half oval. So pick a place to start on the one petal and just bring that line back around to meet. Then the next petals will try to overlap so that the middle of them kind of lines up with the corners of the first ones. Usually not going to line up perfectly, but that's what we want. So we don't want everything to look even. So there's our flower. And then we'll add some leaves. So come out to a point, then curve back around, same thing. We'll come out rounded, then to a point. So curve around, point, and make sure you add a line down the center for each of those. Then we'll draw a few curvy lines out like vines. There's our easy flower. Next up, we're going to do 3 flowers. So this time the tulips. So I'll do a deep half oval, 3 in a row, and then we'll add a few points, 3 or 4. So we'll start at the end, come down like a triangle, then back up, zigzag, right? So we'll do another zigzag all the way there to the end. Then I'll add a line straight down on each one. Next up, some leaves. So start at a point, curve out, and back to a point. Start at a point, curve out, back to that point. And we'll keep doing this shape over and over for each of our flowers. So this is like a pointed oval. Then we'll do some more zigzag lines. Smaller though, smaller and closer together. And we'll put those at the bottom for our grass. And this connects all of our flowers. There's your little scenery. Now the last flower might be a little hard to see at times. I've got to work on my lighting here. So circle in the middle. Then we'll just do some simple half ovals all the way around. So just curve out, back around, squeeze one in there, and then you'll just keep going. So one layer, then you go on top of that with bigger petals. Oh, sorry, it's a little hard to see, but you get the idea. So just keep making rows of petals, so rows of curves, and they get bigger each outer layer. Okay, now I've got 3 rows, and we'll add a little bit of vines in here like our first flower. So just some curvy lines out, and we'll add some more leaves. Remember this, so a point, then curve out, make it a little fat, and then curve back to a point. Try again. Okay. Then I'm going to add a line straight across for our leaves.